is Yoong. So today we'll be discussing on the effects of inflation on the engineering industry. So inflation is basically a fall in the purchasing power of money, which is equivalent to a sustained increase in the general level of prices. And inflation occurs because the value of the currency has gone down over time, which change in money value over time needs to be considered to compare purchasing power over time. In fact, most countries' inflation is from 2% to 8% per year. In some countries with weaker currencies, political instability can have hyperinflation, which can be as high as 100% per year. Assuming a firm desires to purchase a productive asset that costs 209,000 today's dollars, and we assume a reasonable inflation rate of, let's say, 4% per year, and in 10 years, the same piece of equipment will cost around $309,371. So this proves that the inflation can be significant even at 4% rate of inflation. The future impact on cost can actually be significant. So a proper engineering economic analysis should consider both inflation and the time value of money.
Today I want to talk about the effect of inflation on procurement. In 2018, I have 10,000 ringgit. In the same year, I can buy 5 K20A engine for 2,000 ringgit each. In year 2028, I have the same amount of money as in 2018, 10,000 ringgit, but I can only purchase 4 K20A engine. Each costs 2,500. It shows that the purchasing power is weaker in 2028 compared to year 2018 because the inflation of Malaysia ringgit has fallen after conversion from Japan yen, meaning that I can only purchase 4 K20A engine in year 2028.
On the operation and maintenance in any industry or service organization, equipments or machineries are important elements. Those productivity of an organization is a function of many factors. It is largely affected by efficient and effective use of machineries and equipment. So operation and maintenance of these equipment are very important to the organization. A machinery is purchased today cannot be used forever. It has a defined economy lifetime. After the economy lifetime, the machine should be replaced with a substitute machine with similar operational capabilities. This kind of analysis is called replacement analysis. The element of causes involved in the replacement analysis. The first one is purchase cost. Second, annual operation and maintenance cost. Third, salvage value at the end of every year if it is significant. From the chart show that the sum of the operation and maintenance costs increase with the life of the machine, but the capital recovery is return decrease with the life of the machine. The total cost of the machine goes on decreasing initially, but it starts increasing after some years. The year with the minimum total cost is called the economy life of the machine.
Hi guys, I'm Ng Zu Zhi. Today I'm talking about the inventory. First, if it buy inventory, well, preventing price are lower and then wait to sell the inventory. When prices are high, it increase its profit margin. Second, buying a large amount of stock at once keep ordering costs low. This is especially true if inflation is about to raise ordering costs for future sales period. When inflation is high, mean costs are rising rapidly. Okay, now I show some graph for you. Okay, we can see in January we can start storing the car. Example, cause now the January store the car is still slow, but it's still going up to February. We can see there is much ordering the car to store it to our company. Okay, until the May we can stop slow ordering the car, cause sometimes the car is not so much. It's about customer. It's not so many customers.
So I'm going to talk about the effect of inflation on manufacturing. So the first effect will be the increase of the manufacturing business costs. And because of the increase of the business costs, so the price of products will be increased as well. The third effect will be the inflation will lower the ability of smaller companies to compete with the larger companies, because the larger companies, they have the money to cover the financial loss, so they can afford a lower price for the consumers, which can attract the consumer to buy their products. The fourth effect will be the slowdown in investment in the large purchase, because the investor, they are fear of the high payment in purchasing, such as the machinery and the software. However, because of the inflation, savers are forced to add their current consumption, so the additional consumption will hindering the capital formation and also the national economic growth.